Kings jumping in Detroit. This guy wants to know if he can borrow money from C. Webb. That's cold considering that Chris is from the Mitt. Doug Christie to steal Hedo Turkoglu to Chris Webber. Webber says, you can't have any money, but you can have some of that, dog. Kings up 16, and Webber here, he sort of bounces it off Scott Pollard's head. Maybe it was Chucky Atkins. I don't know. Webber 8 of 8 from the floor. He's giggling because the Kings are up 23, and then this is just filthy. Behind the back, Bobby Jackson. Kings up 23. That's one of Chris's 8 assists. Second quarter, Chucky Atkins going to take it in with the big boys playing. That was unwise. Gerald, oh, that's Christie. He took about 7 or 8 steps, but it's the NBA. He can do a little ballet from time to time. Christie again, this time chucking it from the other side, a half court, and all that's levitation, Holmes. Gerald Wallace said 8-2 are pretty loud. Kings up 26. Kings up 23. Christie now over the shoulder to Webber. He's a strong man. Stackhouse fouls him. He was undaunted. 28 points, 7 boards, 8 assists. All 5 Kings starters in double figures. They shot 55% from the floor as a club. Kings win their 6th in a row on the road.